How to add a passkey on your Binance app. Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how you can easily add a passkey on your Binance app to make your login a bit easier. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your Binance application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So once you are logged in, all you need to do is tap on the Binance icon at the top left corner and it will directly take you to your profile. So just tap on your profile right here and tap on security. And once you get to the security settings, you will have the very first option as passkey, that is also known as biometrics. So just tap on it, and what this will do is it will allow you to log in without your password. All you have to do is enter your biometrics, either it's your Face ID or your fingerprint. Just tap on Add Passkey and tap on Passkey from here. So you will just have to verify first that this is actually you. So it will send you a code on your Gmail. You just have to copy the code. So once you enter the code, all you need to do is create a passkey on your Google account. And now you just have to enter your biometrics to verify. And as you can see, the Google Password Manager passkey has been added to my Binance account. So that is pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.